Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone involved in information security or data protection, the Risk Management Framework, or RMF. If you're wondering what RMF is and why it's crucial for organizations, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is RMF? So, what exactly is the Risk Management Framework? In a nutshell, RMF is a structured and systematic process used by organizations to identify, assess, and mitigate risks associated with their information systems and data. It provides a comprehensive approach to cybersecurity, ensuring that potential threats are addressed proactively. Segment 2. The steps of RMF. RMF typically consists of 6 steps: categorization, selection, implementation, assessment, authorization, and monitoring. 1. Categorization. Organizations identify and categorize their information systems based on their impact on the organization's mission and the sensitivity of the data they handle. 2. Selection. Suitable security controls are chosen from industry-standard catalogs, such as NIST Special Publication 853, to protect the information systems. 3. Implementation. The selected security controls are put into action within the information systems, making sure they are properly configured and functioning as intended. 4. Assessment. A comprehensive security assessment is conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of the implemented controls, identifying vulnerabilities and assessing compliance with security policies. 5. Authorization. Based on the assessment results, an authorizing official determines whether the information system is authorized to operate, considering the residual risks and risk acceptance. 6. Monitoring. Continuous monitoring is crucial for ongoing security. Organizations must continuously assess their systems to identify new risks, potential changes, and security incidents. Segment 3. Why is RMF important? You might be wondering, why is RMF so important? Well, for starters, RMF ensures that organizations systematically evaluate and manage the risks they face. This proactive approach helps prevent security breaches, data leaks, and other potential disasters. Furthermore, RMF provides a standardized framework, promoting consistency and uniformity across different organizations and agencies. It enables better communication and collaboration when sharing information, best practices, and lessons learned. Segment 4. RMF and Cloud Computing. RMF is especially relevant in today's world of cloud computing. With the increasing use of cloud services, managing risks associated with cloud environments becomes critical. FedRAMP, a specialized version of RMF for cloud service providers, helps federal agencies adopt secure cloud technologies with confidence. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the Risk Management Framework is a vital process for organizations to safeguard their information systems and data. By following the RMF steps, they can identify vulnerabilities, implement effective security controls, and maintain a robust security posture over time. We hope you found this explanation helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, stay secure and take care.